Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious roll potato chips. First, choose the right potatoes and prepare them by washing and peeling. Then, slice them very thinly, ideally with a mandoline, for consistent cooking. Soaking these slices in cold water helps remove starch, ensuring a crispier chip. This initial preparation is key to a perfect batch. Next, it's time to fry your potato slices. Heat your cooking oil to between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the slices in small batches to prevent the oil temperature from dropping too much. Cook them until they are a beautiful golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Afterward, remove them and let them drain on paper towels. Now for the unique roll aspect. While the chips are still warm and flexible, work quickly. Use a thin dowel or a similar rod as your guide. Gently wrap each warm chip around the tool, forming a roll. Hold it in place for a few seconds until the chip cools slightly and holds its new shape. This step requires a bit of speed. Finally, it's time to season your freshly rolled chips. Do this immediately after they've been shaped and are still warm. A simple sprinkle of salt and pepper is classic, but feel free to add your favorite spices. Experiment with different flavor profiles to find what you love. Serve your delicious, homemade roll potato chips right away for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.